Hi everyone. Have you ever wondered how the Japanese keep themselves so thin? We could do a lot of learning from them. So let's understand what they exactly do. The number one thing is that they have only 3 meals a day. One is breakfast, which is between 8 to 9 a.m. Then they have a lunch, which is between 12 to 1. And then a dinner, which is usually between 6 to 7. So once they've had their dinner between 6 to 7, automatically they've created an intermittent fasting interval of 13 to 14 hours if they are having their breakfast at 9. That is so wonderful. And they do not do any kind of snacking. They don't believe in the concept of snacking and they never ever do it. Also, the foods that they eat are very fresh, they're very healthy. Usually they are homemade and they do not indulge in any kind of foods which are high in saturated fats or which are very fatty or which are highly fried like burgers, pizzas, fries and all the processed things which are available out of a packet. You will never see a Jap eating any of these things. So what is it that they eat? Well, the first thing is that they eat small portions of every little thing which is required by a body. So for example, if they're having sushi, there'll be a wasabi with it, there'll be some pickled vegetables with it, there'll be a miso soup which is made up of fermented soya, which is very nutritious. Plus then they'll have some amount of fish, they'll have some meat, or they'll have some kind of chicken, and their noodles will also be made of buckwheat. So this is what they usually do, and they eat with chopsticks. So when they are eating with chopsticks and the food that is put in front of them is put in small vessels, small plates, or small little things. And when they're eating, they have to eat all these variety of things. So it'll be a small piece of carrot, or it'll be a small piece of radish, a small piece of beetroot, small piece of ginger, wasabi which has mustard, and some grated rhizome, underground rhizome in it. So they are getting the benefit of all the nutrients in little portions, and you will never see them eating while on the TV or while being on the social media. That is because they respect food, and food for them is an act of gratitude, and it means family time, where the family sits on the dining table, eats the meal, talking to each other and not being on the social media. So they are very mindful of what they eat. They eat small portions because they're eating with chopsticks. They eat it slowly, and so they are very aware of the time when they start feeling full, and they never fill themselves up to the brim. So this is the way one has to try and eat, and eat small portions of everything. Don't try to eat too much of one particular food, because you need nutrients from all things which are good for your health. And not just that, when it comes to snacking, their favorite beverage is green tea. So you'll see the Japanese, they have these tea ceremonies where green tea is their favorite, because they know that green tea is very beneficial for health. It boosts their metabolism. They know that it helps to cut fat. They know that it keeps cardiovascular diseases at bay. So most of the time, the only thing that they actually indulge in is green tea. They'll never have a soda, they'll never have a lemonade, they'll never have a Coke. So these are things which keep them fit. And they will never allow a plate full of fries or a pizza or a burger to be put in front of them, because they know from elementary school they are taught the benefits of nutrition and the detrimental effects of having processed foods. That's how they grow up, and that's how they pass on all this to their children, and so the cycle keeps going on. Also, they're very particular about exercise. So you'll find the Japs walking a lot and cycling a lot. That also keeps them fit. So eating small portions, eating slowly, not scrolling or not, switching channels on TV, mindful eating, being grateful for food, and gratitude towards eating healthy food is what keeps them absolutely fit, thin, and fine. And this is what we too need to practice. We cannot be sitting and watching a film, eating a big bowl of popcorn or a big packet of chips. We cannot just, we have to plan your meals. You can't, indulge in instant eating, because when you're doing that and when you're very hungry, the first thing that will be, okay, let me eat something out of a packet. Now, this is what the Japs never do, and we too have a lot to learn from them. So try to have small portions. Try to keep a gap between your lunch and dinner, like the Japs do. They keep a gap of at least 5 hours, and that's how you will be able to keep yourself fit like the Japanese. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.